Okay guys, this is the position whereby we are going to plant this our sucker, this our propagated sucker that we have prepared. So this is the hole that I've dug that we are going to put plant the sucker in this position here. This is the hole that I have dug that we are going to plant our sucker. So that is the sucker. It has get dry. So that is our solution there. This is our manure. That is the organic manure that we are going to use. So here, these are the peelings of the sucker that we peel the sucker. So we are going to join all of them and put them inside this hole. So first of all, we have to place our sucker inside the hole. We give the sucker a little bit of soil, put soil around the sucker. After putting the soil around the sucker, so we are going to all these things, all this dirt that we cut, we remove, can just chop them. You can just chop them up. You can just cut them. You can just destroy, cut them. It's still part of the manure. Just have to cut them. You can just cut them, put them just in these things. They will all decay. Just in daytime, so all these things they will decay. So we just put them around the sucker. You see, just in the matter of days, all of them they will decay. So the next thing is our manure. We just have to take our new manure from poultry, mix with sawdust, that is from wood, mix with sawdust from wood. So we can just press it down. This is our sucker here. You have to really put cover everything. You can give a little bit of salt, put soil so that the soil can digest the manure. So that is what we have done. So in some cases where to put a greenhouse, that is, we have to pin sticks around, then we wear a wrapping on it so that it can give the sucker, so that the place can be warm and give the sucker. But in this situation for today, we are not going to do that because we don't have that one for now. So this is normally, so this is our solution here. The solution we prepare to treat our sucker. So I will just pour this solution here on the sucker. So this is how you have to, if you want to propagate, you want to produce many sucker, or you want to multiply suckers using this method, then you just have to follow what I have done. Then you will have 1,000 suckers. Just within 3 weeks you have more than 1,000 suckers. So thank you guys for watching this video. I just want you to share and subscribe, so you can see these are my suckers. You can see how healthy they are. See, these are my suckers. That is my suckers there. You can see how healthy. You can see this one here. You can see how healthy these suckers are. You can see another one there. You can see those are suckers, just that they are being mixed together in this farm. When I will cut down all this corn, all this maize, then you will really see the beauty of my sucker. If you can really look at, you can see a sucker there. Those are 2 suckers. Turn this way, you can see a very nice and healthy sucker growing there. So that is how I'm going to teach you how to produce and how to be a very healthy farm with just organic manure. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video. Yes, hello guys, welcome to this wonderful video of today. So in today's video, this is our sucker that we made, that we plant, and our aim is to multiply this 1 suckers to give us 1,000 sucker. So this is exactly 1 month ago that we planted this sucker, and this is the result. 1 month ago, we can see the number of sucker that this sucker alone have been able to multiply to give us. So we want these suckers to give us at least 1,000 sucker, but for now he has just give us this just 1 month ago. We can see the number of sucker that he has shot for this 1 month. And this one, I make it openly in the air. I did not cover it, I did not put it in the greenhouse. This method, I just want to show you that wherever you are, this method can really work for you. So this method can work anywhere here on earth, anywhere that you find yourself. You want to start making business concerning suckers, you want to multiply sucker, you want to sell suckers, this is the easiest way for you to start multiplying suckers. So we can see this is exact 1 month ago. We can see the number of sucker that he has been able to shoot. So guys, you can see the number of sucker. So in this video today, I just wanted to show you how the progress, how this sucker is growing. And in this video, I want to show you something that most of you guys have been asking, that what is the solution that I use to pour on this sucker. So in this video, that is the main thing that I want to show you. I just want you to share the video, subscribe the video, subscribe to my video, share. So I want to show you how I make the liquid. That is the solution that I pour on this sucker. So if you have not share my video. If you have not subscribed, just subscribe, so that any of my video you'll be able to understand. So the sucker, there are still many coming around, and this man is still very fresh. He can give us as much as we want. So this man is still very fresh, very healthy. He has not been dying up. So after we have removed this set, another set will continue to germinate. So this is the easiest method. So let me go to the solution that I made. So if you look here, this is my water that I'm going to use. This is just about this is just a liter of water that I'm going to use in this process. And here I have some ingredients that I mix them together to give me the solution that I use. So you can see this one here. This one here is just a mixing, that is fungicides. It works against fungi. It treat the suckers from fungi and pests and diseases. So this one work best for that one to treat the sucker, to work against pests and diseases. So you can just get this substance, this mixing inside the farmer shop or anywhere. You just ask for mixing for fungi, pests and fungi, so they will give you this thing fungicide. This is fungicide. Then we have this one here. It's just a half teaspoon that we have put. So this half teaspoon, it work for, that is against, it's also, it treat diseases, that is worm that eat the plantain, that is nematodes. It work against the nematodes so that they should not eat the sucker, so that the sucker can remain fresh. As we can see, that is the work of this man. Then we have the third one here. We have this 1 meal of organic fertilizer or organic manure. If you don't know how to make organic manure, I will make a video to teach you how you can make your own organic fertilizer at home. So I will still bring a video for that. So you can use this one. That is just a 1 meal of organic fertilizer. You can choose any one of your choice. So that is part of the substance. So these are the 3 substances that we use. That is 4. We have our water, we have the fungicide and the pesticide, we have the organic manure, then we also have that one to treat, that is against nematodes and all the rest. So we are going to pour all of them inside our water. Put them inside the water. This one, you have to put all of them. Then this one, we just have to pump it inside the water. So that is the mixture of, you just have to shake it all over. So that is the solution that I made. So thank you guys for watching. I hope by now you have understood everything. I hope your questions have been answered. So that is the solution that I used to pour on my sucker. But this one, I'm still, when I cover this one up, I'm still going to pour the solution on this one. Then in a month's time, they will tell you that is the sucker that you make. You will not accept, because it's going to germinate rapidly. So there is another one that if you cannot afford all these things, then I will recommend you can use urine. That is human urine. You can use human urine to do all this treatment. Just use human urine. If you cannot afford all this one, human urine is very good to treat plantain. So if you don't have this one, you can use human urine. When we talk about urine, we talk about urea, that is urea fertilizer. Uric acid contains uric acid, so it's always good to treat plantain with human urine. So thank you guys for watching this video. I just want you to share and subscribe to my channel so that I will be bringing you more tips. This one, we make this one openly, as I've earlier told you. That will make it in open environment so that everybody, so that anywhere that you are, know that it can also work for you. So this one is just an open air tree, plantain multiplication. I will still have to make another one that I will have to cover it inside the greenhouse or with a wrapping so that it can give the plantains more heat. But this one, I make this one so that everybody, no matter wherever you are, you can still produce your own very easily, and it will give you a very good quantity of sucker that you want. So after this, we just have to allow them to grow. They will just have to discharge them. We'll put them inside planting bag or inside the planting material bags. I'll show that is to transplant. I will show you how you can transplant them and do many other things. So thank you guys for watching this video. I just want you to